If you're currently pregnant and sneezing 24/7, here's why. So you probably have pregnancy rhinitis. This is also why a lot of pregnant parents experience a lot of congestion. Rhinitis is essentially inflammation of the inside of the nose and can be caused by all kinds of factors. Your immune system may just be weaker during pregnancy, which is very common, and so your body is, as a result, protecting yourself by creating a lot of inflammation in your nose so that germs don't pass through. You also just generally have more blood flowing through your body, up to 40% more, to be able to support your baby, so that could also cause the greater mucus production in your nose. When you have more inflammation in your nose and more mucus being produced, then you're getting a lot of irritation to your nose, so that's why you'll be sneezing more frequently. How many times did you sneeze today?